Here's another idiot-proof side hustle anyone can do. Part 2. Let me show you.
And this is an AI that literally can do anything for you. How simple is that? Now I'm gonna use something called ChatGPT. I asked it to write me 30 headlines for a money affirmation journal and let it go to work. Here's what it came up with. Now that we have all of these done, next step, copy this and paste it in a Google Doc. Next, you want to download this into a CSV. Now here's going to be the super cool part, so make sure you like this video and save it for later because you're going to want to reference this. So next, we're going to go to canva.com and you're going to search journal pages, and then you're going to find one you like and edit it. Next, you're going to come over to the apps button and you're going to click bulk create, and this is where you upload your CSV. Next, you're going to go over to where you want your titles to go. You're going to click these 3 dots here, and then you're going to click connect data. Once you do that, it's going to put the first headline here, and then you're going to click continue, and it's going to ask you if you want to generate 29 more pages. And now you have a 30-page money affirmations journal. That's done. All you need to do is create a cover for it, which you can do on Canva. They actually have an AI that takes text to image. Next, you're just going to go to Etsy.com and you're going to upload your journal, and then you're going to find a price point that you want to list your journal at. Now you're just going to create all kinds of different journals for your Etsy store. And then after that, it's all about the marketing. And if you want to learn how to do digital marketing, click the link in my bio.